Oh, yeah, sorry uh, for the mishap. Seems like my voice is unclear uh, at first. So, yeah, to repeat the process, if you want to play around with the design, first you will need to go to the design here, and then you can play around this three sub menu, which is um, storefront, checkout, and appearance. Yeah. And then background color will contribute in changing your store background color, while the primary color will contribute to change your button color, like this one. Okay. Um, you can choose to change based on your brand color, or maybe you have your own personal color that you prefer to be shown in your store. Then you can use your own hex color code for both primary and background color. Yeah. And now moving to the next element is banner. Some of you might want to show important um, message on your storefront, such as like this one: join WhatsApp group to get promotions. Right? You want to design your storefront using this kind of banner, then you can go to appearance and then put the title of the text, which is this one: join WhatsApp group to get promotions, and then you put the WhatsApp group link. This is one of the use case example. The other example that you can do for this banner design, you might want to put something like a mailing list, something like this. Yeah. Then you can um, say like join our newsletter, and then you put the link of the newsletter. So it will be easy for your client to get updates on your stores when maybe new product launch or out of stock product get restocked. All right. So another setting that you can use is reviews. Yeah. So for now, you see in the storefront there is no review element, but if you activate the review right here and you save, now the review function will be shown right here. I have the video related with how to use a review on this course playlist. So you can check that out if you wish to learn more about review function. Okay. Now, what is this show tag app logo and branding? This function is only available on business plan, but it will contribute to removing this logo at the bottom. If you upgrade to business plan, then you can remove this logo completely. Yeah. If you just do this and save, it will be removed. If you refresh this, now it will also be removed. Okay. Yeah. So that's how you play around with appearance. This one, maybe some of you cannot hear me previously. This is the description function where you can put your store tagline or punchline um, by putting some sentences, maybe a paragraph if you wish. And you can also change your logo right here. Um, if you have new logo, then you can freely just remove and upload new one. Yeah. Now moving on, we will move to storefront. Yeah, on this storefront is the main element of the website. So this is the part that when you send the link, your store link, customer will see the storefront at first, and then you will need to design so it will look good on your customer point of view, right? So how do you design storefront? Mostly you will play around using this function, add cart. Yeah. So you, the most card being used usually will be product category card. Okay. because this product category card will be your category actually, but we name it product category. So like for example, this one, product category card, right? But on the storefront, it will show as vegetables category, which is this one, and then the items right here. We will not show the items right here because this specific card is only for you to play with the card element itself. Like for example, you want to change uh, the product category card to grid, then you can just change it to grid. Now the vegetables will have grid view, no image for now. But if you upload image, then the image will look bigger than the list view. Okay. You can also hide it using this button. Now vegetable is gone. Now you make it visible again. Now the vegetable is back. Yeah. You can also delete if you think you don't want to have this category anymore on your storefront. Okay. So this is the number one card that people will use in product category. Okay. So other than this, it's like an additional card, such as link card if you want to put your Instagram link, for example. Something like this, and then check our Instagram. Yeah. So it will show your Instagram, but of course there's supposed to be your username right here, maybe ABC or something. But now customer can easily go to your store, and if they want to check out your Instagram, then they can check your Instagram. Other than this, you can also put any other type of link like Facebook, TikTok, or any even your own website or maybe survey website. You can do that. Okay. Another one is text card. Yeah, text card can be used for a lot of stuff. So it's basically only a simple text card, which is you are saying that maybe privacy policy. Yeah. Then you can put your privacy policy details right here. Okay. And just it will show everything that you already write down. Something like this. Okay. So if you have more something like terms of service or refund policy for your website, then you can put this in in storefront using the text card. Okay. Just remember, you can also move it down if you think that it doesn't necessarily need to be at the top because it's privacy policy or terms of service. Then you can move it down to the bottom, something like this, and then it will move down to the bottom. Yeah. Now another card is image card. Yeah. If you are if you want to decorate your stores, you can use this image card like this. And then let's say you want to put announcement. Yeah. So just put this kind of announcement. And then now you have announcement like this. Yeah. So you're having a promotion or you're having a sale or you're having an event. Then you can put this kind of image card on your storefront by clicking on add card, image card, and then put these items. I mean, upload the image. Yeah. You can also put multiple image right here if you wish. So it will also show multiple images at once. And then you can also add the title or the link if you are meant to redirect clients to certain products maybe, or to the certain website. Okay, moving on, we have video function. Yeah, from this video function, you can upload your YouTube video or TikTok video. So check out our store in YouTube. Yeah, then you can just put like something like this, maybe. Let me get. Yeah, something. Yeah, anything like this, and then it will be saved, and then it will show the video. You can also play the video on the store. You will not need to download any. I mean, they don't need to download the video to see the video or go to YouTube to see the video. You can they can do it in the store. Okay. Um, Next one, it will be like contact card. This contact card can be used for those of you who want to let customers save your contact on their phone. So save our store contact. Yeah. Yeah. So usually this one can be used if you want to send periodic broadcast to those user who are your repeat customers. When they are repeat customers, you want to send broadcast message in WhatsApp, but WhatsApp doesn't allow if they don't save your contact, right? So what you can do is you show this message, yeah, and then they will save your contact. Then you can include them in your broadcast list. Okay, next one is countdown card. Yeah, this card is quite unique. If you have some event that you want to show the urgency to your client that we are going to have the event soon, let's say this Saturday, yeah, and then let's say 10 a.m. Then now we will show the timers, and you can put again like this one probably, yeah. I will remove this one. Now the summer market announcement will be shown. Summer market. Now you can show to your customer we are going to have the summer market soon, so be prepared. And you can put like the street address, the street detail right here on the description, and then it will show the street detail just below, blah blah blah. Yeah. And when the timer is gone, you can either hide it or just remove it or let it be. Okay, and now moving on, the last one, the last card function is map. Okay, map function is usually can be used for those of you who want to always show where's your store location or maybe pick up locations. So you can always help the user, your customer to see, oh, uh, this is our store locations. Yeah. And then now they can simply click on this location and they can go to the store from their like places. Maybe some of you only have pickup, right? So you will need to tell them that, oh, this is our location. You can come to our stores. it will be easy for them to find it if you give the map as big as this on your storefront. Okay, that's all from the storefront side. We cover everything right here. Yeah. Moving on, we will go to checkout. And this one is the second page after they place their order. So if they do this, like let's say I want to buy carrot, I add to cart, I go to cart, and I check out. Then I will go to the storefront. In this page, you can also design some element that you want to show or you don't want to show to the clients. Okay. So we will discuss about this cart later on, but let's discuss about this element first that's showing. This section, customer, as obvious as it looks, it is the function to toggle on or off this name, phone, and email field. So you can turn off name input, you can turn off phone input, you can turn off email input if you don't need any of this input. Usually, the merchant only turn on name input and phone input. But if you want to have, the customer email data, then you can also choose to turn on email input. Yeah, you can do any combination as you wish, and then yeah, that's how you activate and deactivate and the function of this customer section. The next section is the item section. This item section will be used to add more item or to show the item that they already put to cart. Customer can add more item right here, like this. But if you don't have any item that may be unlikely for most of you, you can deactivate this cart item function if you don't want it. So yeah, that's just an extra function for you. Yeah. Okay. Now this is the delivery section where you can manage your delivery. Actually, the delivery function will be in settings, but we'll just showcase the section for you right here for you to see. You can actually change the sequence. You can actually change this title. Yeah. You can also add more delivery. So let's go one by one. How to change this title? You can click on this one and then change cart title, and then let's say choice of delivery. Yeah. Then you save it. Now it will change to choice of delivery. This. And then it's showing 3 type of delivery, but I want to change the sequence. Okay, so we have the change sequence right here. I want to put flat delivery at top. You can just click on flat change sequence and then put the flat delivery at the top. There is 6 of delivery right here because some of them is inactive. So you can go to settings, delivery, and activate if you want to activate all, but for now I will only activate 3. And then I want to move this delivery fee by distance to the second one and then pick up for the last one. Yeah, and I saved it. Now flat delivery will be the first, and then delivery fee by distance, and then pick up at Old Town Road, like this. Okay. Moving on, we have tip section and discount section. Yeah. If your store doesn't have any tip function, then you can just simply turn it off like this. There is tip, now there is no tip. If your store doesn't have discount section, you can also turn it off easily right here. There is still discount section, but I have turned it off, and now the discount section is gone from the order summary. Yeah. Okay. Now we move to cart. Yeah. This add cart function. We have 7 right now. Sorry, 8. Yeah. So 6 of this can be interacted with, and 2 of this is only a static function. Then what is the function of each of this? Okay, I'll go one by one. Yeah. So the first one is short answer function. The short answer function will be useful for you who want to ask some questions that require short answer. Let's say, do you have any greeting like for the client, for the recipient? Yeah, and it will show right here that this one need to be answered because it's required. Yeah, of course you can also put it as an optional, just because maybe they don't have it and they don't want to put anything. But you can do this and they can answer like happy birthday, something like this. Then this data will be recorded in invoice and also will be shown in the CSV export and many other places. So you can check even on your WhatsApp message about this detail. And then the second one is date. It is quite straightforward. If you want to ask maybe birthday, then you can have this date picker function to ask their birthday. Yeah. Next one is time. Maybe you want to ask them about like um, pickup time. Maybe you are laundry, or maybe you are some um, airport transfer. Then you will need to know the pickup time, right? Then you can put this kind of question and expect them to write sometimes maybe 2 p.m., something like this. Then you will get the data on your WhatsApp as well. Moving on is selection function. The selection function can be used for you who expect to get one answer from multiple choices. Yeah. So let's say, do you have allergy? And choices will be like yes, no, yeah. And then it will show like, do you have allergy? Yes or no. Or another example that you can do is like, do you need cutleries? Yeah. Then the choices will be yes, yeah, or no. And you can put the price. If yes, maybe extra $1. Then it will show the extra fee for that. And you can also see the increase right here. There is others, which is $1 here. Okay. And then, yeah, you can make it required or not, or you can also delete this totally. All card can be deleted, can be rearranged also like this. Same. Okay, moving on, we'll use this, explore this checkbox function. This is a little bit different than selections. So the selection will have only one answer, but this one you can have more than one answer in multiple choices. Like for example, add-ons, yeah. So cola, fries, maybe like dessert or something like this, yeah. And then what they can do is they can choose more than one like this: cola, fries, dessert. Okay. You can also put the price if you want. It's like an upselling, yeah, like this, and then it will also include in the price: cola, fries, dessert. You can also put the validations that select at most maybe two. And what happen is you can only select up to two. Yeah, if you select more than two, it will show an error upon checkout. Okay. Okay, that's about checkbox. And file upload. This one is a function for you to let your client to upload their file prior to checkout. Maybe you will need some of their document to make a checkout. Maybe again your airport transfer, or maybe your doctor, or something that require document before your client checking out. Like you need their passport, you need their tax registrations, or maybe health certificate or something like this. Then you can have this one upload your document before checking out, something like this. Yeah? And what happen is on the checkout page, we will show this model saying that upload your document before checking out, and the client will be able to see this, drag a file, blah blah blah, or just click on this, and they can upload their file. Yeah. Otherwise, they cannot check out because it is required. Of course, you can make it optional as well. You can also put the description, like for example, we need your passport to proceed with the checkout. Yeah. Now it will show this one, and yeah. Okay. Another two is text card. It's almost the same. Like the text card on the storefront is only a static text. Maybe you want to put like agree with our terms and condition, like checking out here. Maybe like checking out means you agree with our terms and condition. You put at the very bottom, and now you have this prompt that's saying that checking out means you are agree with, sorry, something like this. Another one is like just simple image card that you can upload your own image, maybe a instruction or a guide before they actually checking out. You can upload here on the checkout page. It will be useful for the user to understand how to check out. Okay, I think I cover everything right here. Maybe I will stop here first and check any questions. How can I change store theme? Okay, so you can go to appearance, and then you can change the theme color right here and right here. This is the background color, but we don't have a function to upload your own image here, but we are reviewing on that. Kindly increase limit of media in free plan. Thank you for the input. We still don't have any plan to do that yet for now, but we will review that in the futures based on our roadmap. Okay. Is there any way for us to customize the delivery choices available for different items? I see. So this delivery choices that you want to assign will be specified to specific products, right? Okay. This kind of features we don't have it yet. but we are still reviewing, yeah, if we can correlate the delivery choices with specific product. Create limits of media in per listing, not for whole store. I see. Um, I mean, again, the limit of 20 image in the basic plan will still be 20 image for now. We will let you know if we have any changes in the future. Okay, I think we don't have further questions from here. But if you do have any questions, I will wait for a little bit and answer you related with store front design and checkout design. Okay, if there is no further questions, thank you for joining today's sessions, and hopefully the tips and the explanation that I gave will assist you in designing your storefront and checkout better. Um, Thank you again for joining, and let's meet in the next occasions. Bye, everyone.